Okay, here's the 2023 Sierra Elevation. It's got that Elevation black grille. It's got black wheels. There's a Duramax engine. On the inside, you've got the four-wheel drive adjustments, heated steering wheel. This is what your infotainment looks like. Got climate control on the bottom and heated seats. Front seats has the center console, which goes up and it becomes 3 seats in the front. Back seats have the storage compartments in the back of the seats. Down here you have air vents, and you have a full plug back here in USB-A and USB-C. There's the bed. It does not have a bed liner, and this is what the back looks like.